Hey everyone, I'm Lynn with Lash, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the pros and cons for eyelash extensions and lash strips. Okay, so the pros for eyelash strips is that they are very affordable. You can find them at your local drugstore or at Walmart. There's different styles that you can choose from as well. And the lash strips can be worn for about 24 hours. And you can use the strips for about 20 to 25 wears. Now the cons for the strip lashes is that sometimes if you don't have enough glue, especially in the corners, they can lift and become very annoying unless if you fix it. And if you do get the lashes or the glue onto the natural lash, and when removing it, it sometimes can pull off your natural lashes. So that's actually pretty bad because you don't want to damage your natural lashes at all. Now you do have to apply the strip lashes every single day. So I mean, if you have the time in the morning, then go for it. And it could become costly over time if you do wear the strips every day. And the pros for eyelash extensions, it actually saves you time in the morning when getting ready, because you don't have to worry about putting any mascara on. And you could also customize the look to accommodate your lashes and the style that you want as well. And the extensions can last you between 2 to 4 weeks before you have to come for a fill. Now the cons, they can be very expensive depending on the city that you live in and what salon you go to. And you do need to be very careful when you clean them every day so that you don't pull the extensions and natural lashes prematurely. You also have to be very careful when you sleep. You can't sleep on your face. And if you do need them to be removed, I highly suggest going to a professional to get them removed. Thank you for watching. If you guys want other videos, please leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys soon.